Hi, this is Eric from Nextgen. This is a 70 Nova that we're building for a customer. It's going to be a pro touring car. We got a 440 LSX, the K-Tech built. It's got LSX, LS7 heads. We got a custom cam we got to swap into it. Magnuson 2300 blower. And it's got all good stuff in it, Callie's cranking, rods, custom pistons. So this car is going to be a kind of a street strip, you know, track car maybe, but mostly a street car. It's going to have a T56 6-speed that's out right now for upgrades from American Powertrain. Car's probably going to make, I don't know, 8 to 1,000 wheel horsepower, and we're going to be running it with a Haltech ECU, and we're going to do some traction control stuff with it, maybe some boost by gear, things like that, but later, more on that later. But it's going to be a mini tub car. It's going to have a lot of Detroit speed stuff. Probably gonna do C6, Z06 type brakes in it. And stay tuned and we'll keep you updated on the project.